Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to operate a Caterpillar D3K XL. This is basically the same for all K-Series cat dozers. So first we're going to climb up, step there, and here, put your foot up on the track. Now here's your cab. So first thing you're going to do on the machine is you're going to check to make sure it's in park. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn that one on, first on. All these go on. Let the glow plug go off. Let that go off. Now you're going to start her. Still started. Now this button, no, my light's on. This button right here is your parking brake. You're going to release your parking brake. You're going to pick up your blade. And give it some throttle. Throw it here for now. This is your blade control. This picks your blade up. Pull this back. Push your blade up. Push it down. Pushes your blade down. Tilts it that way. Tilts that way. Tilts it this way. Tilts this way. Rotate your blade this way. It's going to move it out that way. And this way, move it that way. Now on this stop, this is your decelerator. Opposite gas pedal. Less you do less throttle, more you do more throttle. Oh, this yellow button right here shakes your blade so you can get dirt off. So what we're going to do is this is your shifter. Forward, neutral, reverse. There's left and right, so I'll show you that. Press down on the decelerator, shift into forward, slowly let off. Now we're moving. You're going to move that way if you want to turn to your left. And this way if you want to turn to your right. Get back. Put it in reverse, slowly let off that. You're going to go back. Left back. Right back. This is your horn. This shifts into higher and lower gears. You can see. That's about it. The controls of the D3K. Thanks guys. Bye.